Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll show you all how to make a cup out of a coconut shell. So you'll be needing two coconut shells as shown in the video. So we will turn this into a beautiful cup like you can see here. So for this you need to take the coconut shell which doesn't have the embryo opening, as you can see. Sand it on the top also so you make it nice and clear and straight, so it should not be uneven, it should look even. After that sand it with a sandpaper of 150 to 180 for a nice and smooth polish. So like this you need to get two shells ready, one big and one small, which will act as a stand. After this you need to also cut the handle, which I'll be showing you all. Let's make the handle. So for this you need to use a stone cutting wheel and cut it like I have shown you. Don't cut at once only, first make the edges, the lines, and then cut along them. So this will ensure that the shell doesn't break or your trouble doesn't go to waste. So do it slowly, but it will be done. If you try to cut at once only by putting the full blade inside, it will cause cracks and you won't get a nice piece. So you need to make sure you follow these small steps. And guys, please do subscribe the channel if you're liking the video. If this helps you, you can also share it with your friends. So after you make the handle, take a appropriate size base, and you also need to do the same process as we did in the first video, which you need to sand it and make it so it looks clean. So this I'm doing directly with my hands. Please you all don't do like this, as it can injure you all. So now take the bottom of the shell and with a grinder just grind it so that it makes a slightly flat surface, so we can rest the two parts of the shell on each other. Give a slight polish to all the components before the final fit. So for this I used M-Seal. You can also use Aerolite. I used M-Seal cause it will be more convenient for me to file after using. If I've done anything wrong, I can file it according to my shape. So apply M-Seal and with your finger just press it along the edges so you get a nice and proper finish like this. After that, allow it to settle for around 3 to 4 hours, then apply the handle. File off the extra M-Seal so that you get it in shape with the handle. So now let's apply touch wood. After applying, allow it to dry for around 10 to 11 hours. So your coconut cup is ready guys. So now if you want to use it, as a deco. Please paint the inner side also, or leave it like that if you want to use it as a cup. So here are some nice photos. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.